to Serum Shamapte, and so good to have you here. And today I'll be reviewing Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% Hair Serum. This is actually empty. I have finished it. I have been using this for more than a month, and yeah, I got the second bottle as well because this is actually really nice. What it is actually, this is actually one pre-shampoo treatment. So what you're gonna do before using shampoo, you're gonna apply this on your hair. Do not apply this on your scalp. Alright, apply this on your hair, then keep this on for say 1 hour. After that, you use a shampoo to rinse it off, and then you use a conditioner, hair mask, whatever you like, and it's all done. The fact is that they keep this thing so affordable, yet the ingredients are top notch. It actually contains ingredients like malic acid, transglutaminase, amino acids. This actually helps to repair the damaged hair and make it strong. It also has oils like squalane, argan, coconut to nourish the hair, and it has very light fragrance, and the formulation is very rich, yet the texture is so lightweight that is very enticing to me. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel like too much greasy. It is extremely lightweight, very easy to rinse off, which is great, but it nourishes the hair. So if you have chemically treated hair that is damaged, or if your hair is damaged for any other reasons like environmental reasons, or if you have very coarse hair, very rough hair, it feels really dry, dull, this can help you out by repairing the bonds. This serum actually strengthens and repairs damaged hair by working on different types of hair bonds in the hair strand, and malic acid along with amino acid and transglutaminase repair damaged hair bonds and protects hair from the further damage. Vitamin E and carrot root extracts make hair healthy, and oils like squalane, argan, coconut makes hair soft and frizz-free. And it is really super easy to use. Just apply this on dry combed hair evenly over hair length, and do not apply this on the scalp. And yeah, keep this on for 1 hour, then wash it off with a shampoo and follow up with a conditioner or hair mask, whichever you like. And it can work for all hair types and for age 15 plus. Also, I love the fact that Minimalist, they have published ACM analysis on their Instagram page. You're gonna see the before and after results on untreated and treated hair with this malic acid bond repair, and the results are really good. And even on my hair, my anecdotal experience would be it has improved my hair health, and you will see the result from the first use itself. I have kinda dry and frizzy hair, and it has been working so well for me. When it comes to me, I'm really impressed by it. The formulation, the performance, everything top notch, I'm telling you. And I have slightly dry hair. It has made my hair smooth, and also have seen less breakage. My hair looks shinier, healthier. Let me tell you, this is my 5th day here after using the serum, and I want to show you how my hair looks, not only after, just after using this product, how it looks even after 4 or 5 days. And I'm really impressed by the results. I mean, this is something that is so good, that is a game changer, and truly it has taken a spot in my hair care routine. I love how smooth my hair feels, so my ends don't feel like as dry as they typically feel, which is very good. Also, this is knot free and smooth, and also it controls frizz to some extent if you're using this properly, and I truly recommend this one. I have never seen anything like this in the Indian market, to be very honest. This is the best pre-shampoo treatment from Indian beauty industry I've ever tried. This serum is a truly game changer, and I think you're gonna love it because this is awesome, and I'm really impressed. I also came to know they have come up with one shampoo, one hair mask. I'm gonna buy that for myself, and I'm gonna try those things. And I'm so happy to collaborate with Minimalist for this because they have made a very good product. I'm so proud of this, that this is coming from Indian beauty industry. I mean, this is top notch. I think you're gonna like it a lot. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments box, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.